Good morning students. Last class we started the multiplication. Yes, fractions no. See, today equivalent fraction by multiplication. See here, equivalent fraction is, see, 2 by 2. Here also here also 4 by 4. This we have to search the equivalent fraction. This is equivalent fraction of what? How to check? Cross multiply. This to this you have to multiply. This to this you have to multiply first. See, 2 4s are 8. Yes, 2 4s are 8. This is the equivalent fraction. Yes, no? See. Here, you know 1 by 4 and 2 by 8 are 4 by 16 equivalent fraction. Last class only I explained with the pizza. Yes, no? If you eat a one piece 1 by 4th, if I cutted this in a 2 by 8 means this having also only 2 piece but quantity is same. Yes. See. Turn the page. Here checking for a equivalent fraction. See here equivalent fraction. Here see they are asking color 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 means you have to color this one. Here color 2 by 4. 4 boxes are there. You have to color the 2 boxes. Okay. Here also 4 by 8. 8 boxes are there. You have to color 4 boxes. Here 16 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 you have to color. Okay. Here see, now fill up the boxes using the greater or smaller or equals to. 1 by 2 is smaller than the 2 by 4, is smaller than 4 by 8, is smaller than 8 by 16. Okay. Here the study and shaded region and fill in the blanks. See 2 by 4. 4 boxes are there, 2 are colored, shaded are there. Here 8 boxes are there, but how many shaded boxes are there? 4. 4 by 8. Here one circle is there. In one circle we have a 2 parts. In one is shaded. So 1 by 2. Yeah, okay. Here one circle we have a 4 boxes. 2 are shaded. So shaded is written as 2 by 4. Like that only you have see. See, think and write. See here they had telling the one column. They make the one column 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 here. 1 by 3 here. Color 1 by 3. They are asking 1 by 3. So 1, this whole 4 circle having a 1, because 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 1 by 3. Here 2 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns are there. 2 columns we have to color. Then it become a 2 by 6. Okay. Here also put in a sign greater, smaller or equals to. Here also see 1 by 3 is smaller than 2 by 6 is smaller than 4 by 12. Turn the page. See students, here also same the thing. Observe in the grouping and fill in the blanks. Okay. Here I'll explain. See here. Here we consider these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because one circle they had given individually. Then we have to write how many circles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In have to write, and in 8 circle we have shaded circle. How many shaded circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Understood? So same they had given like this. Now we consider this as the 1, not a 2, because whole circle having the 2 bars, because this is 1. Then it become a 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns are there. How many columns are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. 4 columns are shaded. 1 column is without shaded. Understood, no? See, like that only. Here, these we considered as a box because they had given the individual box. Here they had given a boxes. See, this whole consider 1, 2, 3. Here also this whole consider we have to 1, 2, 3. Here they had give the individually. Okay, next see here. Next they had given triangle. These are in the same size, no? Yes. See. Okay, see here, first we have to 2 by 3 is equals to 4 by 6. Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 3 columns are there. We have to shade 2 columns. See, 2 columns means see. Here 6 columns are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 we have to shade. 4. See, shaded part is same in both the triangle. Yes, but in middle we have a different columns, but quantity is same, no? See, same quantity we shaded, but here we have a different parts. Here we have only 2 parts. Here we have a 4 parts. So 4 by 6 and 2 by 3. Same shaded. Like that only they had given some. See here, this print mistake is there. This is not a 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. You have to correct this one. Here 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 they are asking. 2 by 4 means we have to shaded this part. 2 parts we have to shade. Here 4. 1, 2, 3. Same quantity we have shaded, no? Here see, this much. Understood? Same, see, 1 by 2, 3 by 6. 1 by 2 in the sense we have to shade one part. Here 3. 1, 2, 3. Same we have shaded here. Here also 6 by 8 and 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Understood, no? Here see one thing. Find the equivalent fraction of 500 by 100 with 50 by 100. 50 by 100. Sorry, 50 by 100 with see, numerator is 5. Numerator should be 5. Numerator should be 5 means see, this become a 1 by 2. 50 ones are 50 twos are is equals to 1 by 2. Denominator 2. Denominator 2 means same 1 by 2. Understood, no? See students, equivalent fraction in the sense 50 by 100. 50 by 100 in the sense this 50 by 100 is 1 by 2 ratio. This is 1 by 2. Yes, 51s are 52s are. These here also we have to take like that only. See here, the denominator should be 2. Denominator should be 2 means 1 by 2. Here numerator should be 5. Numerator should be 5 means 5 by 10. Numerator 5 become. Here numerator 100. 100 by 200 become 100 ones are 100 twos are 1 by 2. It will come no. See, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1 by 2 ಒಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ತಗೊಳೋದು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 100 2 300 ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ 1 by 2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸಿ 300 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 300 ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ 150 by 300. If it 150 ones are 150 twos are, it become 1 by 2 no. If it ನಾವೇನಾರ ಇದನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 1 by 2 ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್. ಸಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 25. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 25 ಓನ್ಲಿ. 25 by 50. 25 ones are 25 twos are. Understood no? See here fill in the blanks. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 here if 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 15 by 20 here. Okay. Here 2 by 5. 2 by 5 we have to multiply with the 3. If we have to multiply with the 3 means they had already gave here 3. See students, if they have only one table only we have to multiply here. See cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15. 4 5s are 20. Cross multiply should be same. If we multiply with the same table, see 2 3 2s are 6. 5 3s are 15. Okay. Here division. 10 we have to divide 5. 5 2s are 10. Here 2. 20. 5 5s are 25. Okay, cross multiply. If we did the same table, we have to multiply with the same table. Cross multiplication we have to do here. 21 7. 49. See 49 if we multiply, if we division of the 7 means 7 7s are 49. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Here also you have to search whether these are the equivalent fraction or what. See 21 7s are 147. 49 3s are also 147. So this is the equivalent fraction. Like that you have to search. Okay. Here see, write the 4 equivalent fraction of each fraction they are asking. If they are telling each fraction means you have to multiply the 3 table. Here denominator is 3 no, you have to multiply with the denominator 3 by 3 same. Cross multiplication. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Next equivalent fraction is next 3 by 9. See I will explain here only. They are telling write a same equivalent fraction. They had give the 1 by 3. Denominator is 3. We have to multiply with the denominator in both sides. Okay, we have to do cross multiplication. 3 1s are 3. This is next fraction. It is 3. 3 3s are 9. Again we have to multiply the 3 by 3, not this denominator. This only we have to take the denominator by cross multiplication. See 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Like that only continuation. See here next they had given the 3 by 4. 3 by 4 denominator is 4. 4 by 4 we have to take cross multiplication. 4 16. See, like that only cross multiplication we have to do. Then again we have to take a denominator in both the side. Then we'll get the equivalent fractions. Okay, here also check the answer by cross multiplication. Here see, 2 tens are how much? 20. In 5 table, when 20 will come, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. Yes, see, 8 threes are, they had already give 8 and 3. We have to do cross multiplication. Okay, 8 threes are 24. Here already they had given 24. In 24 means in one table only 24 ones are 24. Like that cross multiplication you have to see, same equivalent fraction, same the you have to see. Okay, understood now? Once again practice these all. Okay, thank you.